आज 10 अगस्त और 2023 और सुबह 8 बजे होटल सोने से चेकआउट करके ब्रेकफास्ट किया। 9 बजे ट्रेन पकड़ी है। वो कह रहे थे आपके पास है इसलिए फ्री ट्रेवल है। तो फिर हम 9 बजे की ट्रेन पकड़ के अभी हम ट्रेन पे बैठे हैं, ज्यूरिख पहुंचेंगे। हम तकरीबन 11 बजे 10:58 पे पहुंचेंगे स्टेशन पे।
Yes, welcome to Zurich. This is Grossmünster. The Grossmünster is one of Zurich's most iconic landmarks and an important piece of Swiss history. The church was originally built in the 12th century, with construction starting around 1100, and the church was completed in the 13th century. The Helmhaus is a significant historical building and art museum in Zurich, located in the heart of the city's old town Altstadt near the Limmat River. The Limmat River is one of the most important and picturesque rivers in Switzerland, flowing through the city of Zurich and serving as a major geographical and cultural feature of the region. The Fraumünster is one of Zurich's most iconic churches, known for its stunning architecture, historical significance, and impressive art, including works by famous artists such as Marc Chagall. Zurich's old town Altstadt is the historical and cultural heart of the city, offering a charming blend of medieval and Renaissance architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, vibrant squares, and picturesque views. The Fraumünster Church was originally founded in 853 AD by King Louis the German as a Benedictine convent for his daughter Emma. The church has been modified and renovated many times over the centuries. Originally built in the Romanesque style, the building was later expanded and altered, with significant additions in the Gothic style, including the tall, slender nave and vaulted ceiling. Trams are Zurich's most common mode of public transport, serving both the city center and outlying districts. A Zurich City walking tour is a fantastic way to explore the city's rich history, stunning architecture, vibrant cultural scene, and scenic views. Zurich Hauptbahnhof Zurich HB, or Zurich Main Train Station, is not only the central transportation hub of Zurich, but also one of the busiest train stations in Europe.